Hello friends, welcome to EduTap and also welcome to the series agriculture series for IBPS AFO which we are going to start from today, and this is lecture 1 in the same series. And here in this lecture we are going to cover few origin of crops, that is crops from where they have originated and how they have been spread across the entire world. So friends, before starting with the session, I would like to make a small announcement. So here we at EduTap, we are going to start or launch, AFO 2020 courses very soon. So friends, coming to the session, the first question for today is, or today's lecture is, what is the origin place of black gram, Vigna Mungo? So here the correct answer is India. Yes, it has been originated in India. Later it has got spread into the various parts of the world. Is Vigna Mungo, and here it's also called Urad, Biri, Mush, etc. And this has been originated in India from wild species of Vigna species only. And this is popularly grown in Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Punjab, Haryana, and Karnataka. And one unique feature of black gram is that it is richest in phosphoric acid among all the pulses, and it contains approximately 24 to 25% of protein and 65% of carbohydrates in its seeds. So friends, next question is, what is the origin place of tobacco Nicotiana species? And as option says, is it Egypt or USA or India or Portugal? And the correct answer here is USA, United States of America. And tobacco, it is derived from the leaves of the genus Nicotiana, and which is a plant from the nightshade family, which is indigenous to North and South America. And it has been observed that as per the archaeologist or the paleontologist, it has been suggested that the use of tobacco was observed around first century itself, when Maya people of Central America used tobacco leaves for smoking or in various sacred and religious rituals or ceremonies. And later this tobacco cultivation was introduced into India by Portuguese in 1605. And where it was introduced, it was initially grown in Kaira and Mehsana districts of Gujarat, and slowly later it got spread to various other parts of our country. So friends, let's see the next question. What is the origin place of sunflower, that is Helianthus species? And here the origin place of sunflower is North America. And the wild sunflower is native of North America, but the commercialization of sunflower seeds or the sunflower plant took place in Russia only. And after that, that again returned to North America to become a cultivated crop. And do you know who took that from North America to Russia? It was an American Indian who took that from North America to Russia, where it was commercialized. And sunflower was, it's common crop among American Indian tribes throughout North America. And even the evidence from, archaeologists or the paleontologists, suggests that this plant was cultivated by American Indians in present day Arizona and New Mexico around 3000 BC. So during those times, even the Mexico was part of North America only. So sometimes you might see that the origin of sunflower, it has been mentioned by few people as Mexico also, but it is from truly from North America as per the various studies that have been conducted by archaeologists and paleontologists. So friends, here comes the next question. What is the origin place of cotton? And here the correct answer is, yes, most of you all might be guessing it right. Yes, it is India. India is the origin place of cotton, wherein the first evidence of cotton use was found somewhere around 6000 BC, very long back. And then it was first cultivated in Indus Delta. This is what scientists and archaeologists believe. And the species that was used in ancient South Asia were both, Gossypium herbaceum and Gossypium arboreum, which originated in India and Africa respectively. But the origin, first time the cotton was seen cultivated in India, as per the various studies that have been conducted on this. So friends, the next question says, what is the origin place of pomegranate punica species? One unique aspect of this punica, that is, pomegranate belongs to a family Punicaceae, and it has only one genus, that is Punica. Only one genus, and whatever the species are there, that are there, but only one genus. This is what a unique feature of Punicaceae family. Okay, let's get back to our question. So what is the origin place of pomegranate? And the correct answer here is Iran. Iran is the origin place of pomegranate, and this after that came to Himalayas in northern India and has been cultivated. It has been observed by archaeologists and paleontologists that this was being cultivated since ancient times throughout the Mediterranean region of Asia, Africa and Europe. As I have mentioned, Punica granatum belongs to family Punicaceae, which includes only one genus, that is Punica. So friends, let's have one question of the day. See, after going through this question, I expect you to give answers, either write to us at hello@edutab.co.in, or you can write in the comment section here. And the question of the day for today's video is, silicon is considered to be highly beneficial for which crop? Think. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you have any queries, you can contact us on this number, that number given here, or you can write to us at hello@edutab.co.in. Thank you.